So hi, I'm Austin Zimmerman, Product Specialist at sawblade.com. We're here at our sister company, Houston Metal Sawing, Houston's premier metal sawing facility. Today we're cutting some 4130 chromoly. Chromoly is a harder than normal mild steel material, and it's used in mostly the oil field and some other applications. It could be solid, structural, a variety of different shapes and sizes. And we're using a 601 VTH blade to do so. And when I say VTH, so that's variable tooth height. So you actually have one tooth that's higher than the next, giving you more efficient cut through increased penetration into harder materials such as the chromoly. So on the H130, we've got our feed set up at about 1 inch to 1.5 inches a minute down feed rate. And our speed is right around 180 to 190 feet per minute. With our 601 blade on our H130, we're able to cut this 7-inch part in about 6 minutes. So here at Houston Metal Sawing, we have a variety of different capabilities, from cutting down from 1 inch all the way up to 5-foot cut diameters, and we even have some vertical machines when you need to cut a vertical part. We came underneath the ownership of Houston Metal Sawing not only to provide our customers, of course, with quality bandsaw blades, parts, and coolant, but now being able to serve customers in the Houston area and even further and expanding into northern Texas with good quality cut jobs. Coming underneath the ownership of Houston Metal Sawing has really provided us a good insight on how our blades are manufactured and the performance of these in a real world scenario. So we can come out here and test new products, old products, and quality control our products before they come to the end user in our high production facility. Here at HMS, we have a variety of different capabilities. We have numerous of machines that cut all the way down from a 1 inch all the way up to a 5-foot cut capacity. We can do miter cuts, verticals, and all kinds of other jobs. And we can cut mild steels all the way up to super high content nickel-based alloys. We have a 25-ton capacity crane and a variety of different forklifts to get jobs in and out quick. I'm Austin Zimmerman, and thanks for watching. And remember, if you need high quality blades, parts, or coolant, give us a look at sawblade.com, and now you can even lock on to Houston Metal Sawing when you need a quality cut.